open to wait. Homepage Realty says come see today. Easy living on the East Light, pouring through. 2 bright bedrooms, 2 full baths for you. 989 square feet, moving ready and sweet. Coast to Westport Road, where convenience meets. Sing it now, this condo feels right. Morning coffee on the deck in golden light. Angie Tonini-Rogers knows what makes it shine. Homepage Realty, your next home in time. Dining room warm with the chandelier glow. Open to the living room, easy flow. Vaulted ceiling fan up high. New up floors make the whole room fly. Slide the glass door, let the sunshine play. Step to the new deck at the end of the day. Primary suite with the peaceful feel. Private bath comfort, calm and real. Second bedroom ready for work or rest. Closet space here helps you live your best. Easy living on the East End Light, pouring through. 2 bright bedrooms, 2 full baths for you. 989 square feet, moving ready and sweet. Close to Westport Road, where convenience meets. Sing it now, this condo feels right. Morning coffee on the deck in golden light. Angie Tonini-Rogers knows what makes it shine. Homepage Realty, your next home in time. Laundry in unit tuck right where I need. Central air comfort and simple routine. Built in 2002, careful with pride. Second floor living with storage inside. Aside parking, guests can't stop by. Trees all around it and open Kentucky sky. Minutes of Springhurst, Middletown too. And Norton Commons, park shop, shops and food. Jefferson schools and commuter routes near. East Louisville, values waiting right here. From the bright egg view to the treetop scene. This condo keeps life low, stress and clean. Come feel the flow, come catch the view. A fresh East End chapter is calling you.